Maruti Suzuki Nexa dealerships have begun accepting bookings for the new Baleno. While booking amount varies from dealer to dealer, there is a sense of excitement among dealers and customers as the new Baleno is the first major launch after a major gap. The facelifted popular hatchback is expected to launch on February 10, which is only 10 days away from now. Recently, the new and heavily updated Maruti Baleno's production started at the Gujarat plant, which is fully owned by parent company Suzuki. As we have seen a lot about its design and features, let's have a quick look around what the car will offer. As confirmed from the leaked images earlier, almost all body panels of the 2022 Baleno seems to have been redesigned. The car looks wider than the existing model. The newly designed grille now looks much larger. The new Baleno carries almost a similar look as the outgoing model when viewed from the side. However, the front and rear fenders have been redesigned to accommodate new headlamps and L-shaped LED tail lamps. On the inside, the cabin will feature a completely reworked dashboard layout. The biggest highlight will be the large freestanding touchscreen infotainment display with lots of connectivity options including wireless auto and Apple CarPlay. Maruti might also offer Suzuki Connect as standard feature in top spec variants. The interior will also benefit from new upholstery theme, giving a more premium look. Safety will also be a major upgrade with thicker grade of steel and offering up to 6 airbags in the top variants. With this addition, the automaker aims to achieve 5-star NCAP rating level of safety. Will be powered by the same 1.2-litre VVT petrol engine making 82 horsepower and 130 Nm of peak torque, and a 1.2-litre DualJet VVT engine offering 89 horsepower and 130 Nm of peak torque. A CNG variant is also expected to join the list later this year. Gearbox options include a 5-speed manual and an AMD option in place of CVT seen in the existing one. This will help holding the pricing of the top variants close to its rivals. How are you excited for the launch of the all-new Maruti Baleno? Let's know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.